think God is not working in your life right now? What are you plagued by? Well, life can be very challenging and we can be plagued by many things. So, the area of your life that you seek guidance with today, if you come to sit here looking for an answer or some guidance, is fraught with expectations. How can I free myself from this limiting, obsessive, very often situation? So let's unpack some of these expectations that we level at ourselves. So if you look at the way that we approach our life is always with an expectation of what we're going to find and how it's going to happen. We never need to suffer to grow. When we think on behalf of life, when we start thinking how life should happen in the future, we never relax to have fun because there's always an expectation to uphold. And one of your expectations of yourself is everything must happen now. It must happen quick, instantly, because there's no patience to wait for it to perhaps come a bit later. When your expectations are based on what you do and what you give, not what you're getting. So what you're giving and what you're putting out there, that's your expectation. I'm doing this and I'm going to get that. Then when it doesn't happen, you become so depressed and even feel hopeless. And one of the things that we should know about life is that it never happens the way we think. You will always see that life in some way or form or manner gives you exactly what you put out there. But it most often doesn't happen the way you think it will. Because we operate from disappointment when we have expectations. And when you go into energy that's disappointed, that feels disappointed in the other, in the person, in the situation, in the thing, in the circumstances, in the way that you are being considered, especially, it disempowers you. It makes you feel so afraid of your own life. There's a threat. Things are not happening the way I expected. What is blocking you in your life is your expectation of how it should be happening.